Luckily, that's something we go over at our consultation, and it can seem like a lot when we tell you what we need. However, most of it are things that everyone already has. One of the things that we need are going to be information on who your creditors are, because we have to notify those parties. And what we need from you are your bills and statements from any creditor or any collection agency. We'll need a copy of your credit reports. If you have a mortgage, we'll need a copy of your mortgage statement. If you have a car loan, we'll need a copy of that car loan statement. We're going to need to see any lawsuit paperwork that you've been served with. A lot of times we can get those online, which is really helpful. But if you have copies that you have of those documents that you can provide, that's perfect. We're going to need to see your tax returns, your federal, state, sometimes local tax returns for typically the last 2 years, sometimes going back further. We're going to need to see your driver's license, your social security card, or some other proof of social security documentation, your car titles, the deeds to your home. We have a client questionnaire that we help you fill out. We need to see a pre-filing credit counseling certificate, which is something that Congress passed in 2005, stating that every person who files a bankruptcy case needs to take pre-filing credit counseling, which is really a course on budgeting. It's not too difficult, but it is something that everyone needs to do to file a bankruptcy case. We'll also need you to bring in your pay information. Typically, those are paycheck stubs, or if you're retired, benefit statements, or in other instances, if you're self-employed or own your own business, we'll need to see profit and loss statements, which can sound like a scary thing to provide, but really just shows what you've made and what you've spent. Because when you file a bankruptcy case, one of the things that you have to provide to the court is information on your income. Because really what we're doing is we're telling the story of what your income is and what your expenses are and why you need this relief from the law.